Good morning, YouTube. How are we? Another day down the doghouse. Another day working on the van, but not this one, my one. Currently got all the bits and bobs out of it, like putting it from last time, because all I did is chuck them everywhere. And today I'm mostly taking stuff apart again, because that is what this is all about at the minute. I'm currently using this bit of time just to sort of strip the interior a bit more, because I have got like a diesel heater, I've got that bit of fridge there, these cabinets, and just give me a bit more space. Might even try and take the seats out, not too sure yet, but we'll see. As of recording this video, I just posted the announcement video of me owning that van, and so far, I mean, it's been on an hour or so, and you guys are loving the fact, and I'm so pleased you guys are into it. I'm really going to try my best to sort my videos out a bit. It's just getting back into filming again, which is the hard part, because I haven't filmed in so long. I'm just a little bit rusty, but I'm trying. Where do I start with this? I think I should take that cabinet out. I think that's the plan. I don't actually know what's in it. Ah, my old belt. Don't know if you can remember, but I did come down here ages ago because my timing was out, and that's why. There's no teeth on half the belt. Little souvenir. Hand warmers. Air freshener stickers. I do love me a sticker, mind. If you guys have any stickers and you want me to put them on my van, I don't know if you can remember, I do have stickers on the inside of my windscreen. I do want to do that again, so I'm going to need new stickers, please. Well, this is now a damn sight more empty. Diesel heater is 90% of the way out. Well, my cabinet's out. That's all but out. Most of the electrics are disconnected. I do need to pull the van forward. It's a mess in here. Most of my interior is just sat piled up and on the roof. But I need to pull this forward. Now, some crap in this van. Get all this lot out, my diesel heater tank and what have you. Not gonna lie, do a terrible job of filming. There's a diesel heater and most of the wiring. Now it's time for the fuel line. I have got under there the fuel pump. It is gonna stink of diesel in there in a minute. I wish you could see the state I'm getting in just trying to get under it. Right, let's cut it off. This side looks like it's got loads of fuel in. That's as well. Oh, come on. Right, new plan, kind of, sort of. The van that was right there is now there, and all of this interior is going in the back of there, because that way this can be empty, it's not in the way. So I've now got to take all this lot out. Oh. That'd be better, huh? Right, let's pull all this crap out. Don't run out now. Resort to doing it by hand. Jonathan very kindly lent me his. This should save me about a year and a half. Jesus Christ, what a drill. Jeez. Well, that didn't last long. Still need to get that out. A few bits of wires for that. Get my roof lights out. That out. Maybe the curtains. And the back of this is done. In it. Not a lot be the answer. Well, there's that all disconnected. All the wires are out. The back is completely clear. Just need to put that and a few bits here and all these bits here. And those bits there, and that, in the back of Jonathan's van. Well, there's most of the interior. Forgot that bit. Oh my god, she's empty. I do want to get that passenger seat out. And then, still need to get that out. But for the most part, this is empty. Still need to find somewhere to put all that as well. Well, I've had a bit more of a tidy up. That's all the stuff I want to keep. That's stuff I don't. That still needs to go in here. The back of that van is now full. It's fairly tidy. Relatively tidy. Right, I messed up. There was a few more bits and bobs I ended up doing after emptying this lot out. And yeah, I ended up putting a few bits and bobs in. Most of my stuff's in that white van just by there. And as you can see behind me, my green van that was over there is now there. This is actually a couple of days later. I forgot to film an outro, and this is me now doing it. So yeah, I've now completely stripped the inside of this van out. I have got these seats left, the electrics under here. They need to go into that van. Those seats need to come into, those seats there need to come into this van. Headlining needs to come out, pillars, few bits and bobs that I want to keep, door cards, just that I want to keep. And then this van is pretty much ready to go up on the ramps and have the engine and gearbox taken out. So yeah, I'm not going to bore you with taking the seats out and stuff because that's irrelevant. I will be filming, I actually might keep the seat, but anyway, I'm going to stop my rambling on. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed that video. Sorry it's a bit of a weird outro, but kind of forgot. Anyway, thank you very much for the ongoing support, guys. I'm loving this. You guys seem like well, as of recording this video, I dropped the announcement of that being my van. Hang on, what day are we on now? Tuesday, so 2 days ago. The comments I've had is fantastic. I'm so pleased that you guys are pleased. It's so heartwarming. I will try and document as best I can. It's obviously quite difficult because I'm trying to undo stuff and yes, bit of a pain. Anyway, stop rambling. Thank you very much, guys. I'm so pleased that you're pleased. I'm pleased that you're pleased. You're pleased that I'm pleased. Please, please, please. Anyway, thank you very much as always. Don't forget the subscribe button's free. Go click on that and you can see what other stupid antics we get up to. Anyway, thank you very much, guys. You guys are awesome. And as always, take it easy.